So we have only the absolute value bars on the left-hand side. So we're going to go ahead and do the split up, A and B. So remember, the B side is going to be as is. Just drop the absolute value bars. So 3 minus 1/2 x greater than or equal to 5. On the left-hand side, we're going to keep what's inside the absolute value bars, the 3 minus 1/2 x. And then, remember, we're going to change the direction of the sign and change the sign of the number on the right-hand side. So that now becomes a negative 5. So what do we want to do? We want to solve for x just as we would in an algebraic equality. So I've got to get rid of this 3 first by subtracting 3 from both sides, and have negative 1/2 x is less than or equal to negative 8. How do I get rid of this negative 1/2? Well, basically I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 2. I'm going to do the unorthodox method. Instead of saying negative 2 times each side, I'm just going to enclose everything in a grouping symbol and put negative 2. Some teachers may not like that, so just be aware of that. Okay, so when I do that, I'm left with x on the left-hand side. What does this negative do? Changes the direction of the sign of the inequality here. So, and also, what is negative 8 times negative 2? That's 16. So we're left with x greater than or equal to 16. Now, going back up to the split between A and B, greater than, absolute value greater than, or. So these are going to be joined with an or all the way down. Okay, now what do? For the B side, we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. What do we have left? Negative 1/2 x greater than or equal to, what is 5 minus 3? I'm going to go with 2. Get rid of this negative 1/2. I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 2. And then I'm left with x on the left-hand side. I have to change the direction of the sign and then change the sign of this because 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So it's x is greater than 16 or x is less than or equal to negative 4. Might not have said the greater than or equal to. So sorry about that. We have 16 over here on the right, negative 4 here on the left. Less than or equal to negative 4 means we're including that negative 4, then going to the left. And then the 16, greater than or equal to part means we're going to fill in this dot, darken it, and then go to the right 16. So there we go. That's our answer.